show you how to adjust your stitch ranging from 0 to 5. Now, in order for you to adjust your stitch, you have to hold the double stitch button, then change it upwards there. It's just for you to rotate it, change to 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, depending on the kind of stitch you want. Now, like we see, number 3 is a bit loose. Number 4, still loose. I tried various types. I was just playing with it. Don't mind my work is a bit rough because I was trying to film myself in the process. Then the next one I tried, if you observe closely, you see that the stitch has gap. One at the first one. The first one is a bit tight. So it depends on what you want to do, the kind of fabric you want to sew. That's what would determine the kind of stitch you're going to use. But for me, normally when making fabrics, most times I prefer using number 2 or 2.5 because it gives like a very neat stitch. You can see what I'm doing here now, and I'm going to show you the outcome of this. This is it. Wow! And you see how neat the stitch is. So that's it. Take care. See you next time.